Okay, today we'll discuss lens maker formula. Lens maker formula. First, I am using convex lens. Okay, this is convex lens. Optical center O. Okay, I will place the object at the point of O. This is the object position O. Actually, we know very well convex lens. It is a converging lens. Okay, for in this point, it will converge. The image will form here. So this is the image position I. So object position, image position. The next one, the refractive index. In this one it is this is the mu. Refractive index mu1 for a rarer medium. The lens refractive index, that is mu2. So this is the refractive index of lens, convex lens. The next one, for India's lens, I will mark 3 points now. A, B, C, and D also. 4 points. A, this is B, in this end, it is C. So this one is a D. A, B, C, D. Okay. So this is center of curvature. We refer not to F1, F1 like that. F1 that is the focus, to F1 that also considered to center of curvature. Same thing. For in this lens also just consider center of curvature. For the calculation purpose, R2 F both also same only. But I will take C in this point. So this is C2. This is C1. Okay. The distance between optical center to C2, that is the radius of curvature, R1 and R2. This is R2. This is R1. Okay. Now refraction at surface ABC. Refraction surface A, B, C. For in this side, A, B, C. So related to refractive index, you will get a formula. U means what? That is the object distance. V, image distance. R, that is the radius of curvature. Now I will mention mu2 divided by v. So v is the image distance. Okay, minus mu1 with refractive index I'm taking. Mu1 divided by u. It is equal to mu2 minus mu1. mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1. The refracting surface ABC formula mu2 by v minus mu1 by u equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1. This is equation number 1. Next, this is image v1. Refractive index mu2 minus mu1. Next, the refraction surface ADC. ADC for this one. ADC. We will get the formula. Refractive index mu1 divided by v minus mu2 by v1. It is equal to mu2 minus mu1. Sorry, mu1 minus mu2 divided by r2. Equation number 2. Listen, why we are taking in this area mu1 means because of the refractive index mu1 for the rarer medium. No? In this medium only we will get the image. The image in the refractive index medium. See here, this is the image, I value. So I value, it is the mu1 medium. mu1 on this one. So only mu1 divided by v minus mu2 v1. mu2 v1 means that v1 it is the object now. So that mu2 v1 equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by r2. Now equation number 1 and 2 you can add. One and two. mu2 divided by v1 minus mu1 divided by u plus mu1 divided by v minus mu2 divided by v1 equal to This one 1 by R1. See, this one I will write next page. This is only left hand side. Mu2 divided by mu V1 minus mu1 divided by U, mu1 divided by V minus mu2 divided by V1. Mu2 V1, mu2 V1. It is cancelled. Okay. So next mu1 divided by V minus mu1 divided by U. That is the next step. Okay, up to that, please copy. We go for next page. Okay, listen. So commonly I will take mu1 1 by V minus one by U. It is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by R1 plus mu1 minus mu2 divided by R2. For in this step, just I am rewriting this mu1 minus mu2 it is there. Here mu2 minus mu1 it is there. In these steps alone, I am just rewriting. Mu2 minus mu1 divided by R1 minus mu2 minus mu1. Now minus, this is a minus mu2, minus into minus plus mu1. The format is correct. R2. The next step, mu2 minus mu1. In this mu1 also, divided by mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is 1 by V minus 1 by U. We already know very well the length formula. The length formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F from length formula. One by V minus 1 by U, it is equal to 1 by F. So in this step, I am writing 1 by F. 1 by F equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by mu1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is the length maker formula. Okay, it is clear. Maximum 3 more questions they are asking now. Derive the lens maker formula using convex lens. Please note it. Listen. Now, the mu1, it is a rarer medium, so that the value is 1. The mu2 is considered to mu. Then you will get 1 by f. It is equal to mu minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is also lens maker formula. And the power formula you know very well. Power equal to 1 by f, the focal length in meter. Just rewrite the formula. 1 by f. Instead of 1 by f, I'm applying for p. P equal to mu minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Listen, before up to that, how to find the focal length? You know only the one formula. That is the 1 by v minus 1 by e is equal to 1 by f. Normal lens formula. But now using the radius of curvature, R1 value and R2 value, refractive index of the glass or refractive index of the lens. So based on in this value also, we can easy to find the focal length, 1 by f, focal length, power, everything. Clear? And the lens derivation also there. That one we'll discuss after. So this is a lens maker derivation using convex lens. Complete fast. One minute. This is V. This one radius of curvature R1. This is radius of curvature R2. Object distance U. Image distance for second one. This is V1. Refractive index mu2. Please note it. Draw the diagram. Diagram you will get 1 mark or 1.5 mark. 3 mark question means 1 mark it is there. 5 mark question 1.5 mark it is there. definition. So now derivation part is over. For the problem, how to use Lensmaker formula in problem. So this is the convex lens. In this convex lens, optical center O, radius of curvature, it is R1. This is R2. Radius of curvature R2. It is in X. This is in the X dash. What is the Lensmaker formula? 1 by F. It is equal to mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. 1 by R1 minus okay. Now the value of sine convention. This is the formula. Okay. Using the formula in problem, R1 value positive, R2 value, it is a negative, no, minus R2. So minus into minus plus will come. 1 by F equal to 1. Mu minus 1 by R1 minus into minus plus 1 by R2. After applying the values using this formula. Before this one, after the formula, you will get positive value. Okay, relevant problem we will discuss upcoming class. The Lensmaker formula relevant. Maximum question they are asking. Please note it. Same Lensmaker formula, it is applicable for concave planes also. That one I will draw next diagram. Concave lens, optical center O. For the Lensmaker formula, you will get 1 by F equal to mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. In case they will say plano convex lens like that. So plano convex lens means one second. plano convex lens. So only one side only convex lens. So another side it is a plane surface. So like this, plano. Then use the formula 1 by f. It is equal to mu minus 1 1 by r1 minus 1 by infinity. Plano, the radius of curvature value infinity. Remainder things we'll discuss upcoming class. Okay. Thank you.